So in front of us today we have two Bluetooth Sato printers. The one on the left is the PW208 and X, which is the current model and the model that we will be using going forward. And the one on the right here is the MB200i. So the one on the right is the more common of the two. It was sold more frequently than the PW because it was on the market longer. So most people out there will be more familiar with the MB series than they will be with the PW, but we'll cover both of them today anyway. So we're going to go through how to turn both these Bluetooth printers on. So they are quite similar. The one on the left has the power button on the front plate, which you hold in for 2 seconds, and the one on the right has the yellow power button, which again, 2 seconds you hold in and the device will turn on. So I'll start with the PW. That's the noise there when it turns on. So the status light will go blue, power light green, and the faceplate will start saying that it's initializing. And from pressing the power button earlier, you can see that the power light indicator is flashing, saying that the MB series is on as well. At this point, we'll cover how to set this up on your handheld device to talk to these two different types of Bluetooth printers. So on your handheld device, you're going to want to go into the main menu, go down to the settings area, and go into Bluetooth. So currently it's disabled, so enable it. Wait for your devices to show up. So we're looking for Sato printers, as you can see there. The first one on the list is the Sato printer E47. Now, that E47 number is the serial number for the device. So if you're not quite sure what your device's serial number is, luckily enough there's an easy way to find out. So we'll move this over just so I can show you where the serials numbers are. So for the PW series, which is the one on the left, the serial number, the E47FB, is on the front plate of the PW itself. So that number there on that PW series needs to line up with the numbers that you see in Bluetooth to make sure you're connecting to the right Bluetooth printer. If you have the MB series, or the one on the right, its serial number is on the bottom, as you can see on screen now. If you've connected to these devices before, it'll come up saying Sato printer _ serial number. If you haven't connected to it, there is a likely chance it'll just come up with the serial number itself, so E47 or the 00 number from the MB series. So just keep that in mind. Now when you actually go to connect to these devices, the PW series, or the one on the left, its default password is 4 zeros, and the one on the right, the MB, is 16 zeros. So I've just quickly power cycled that MB series printer, so it's now in the list with the 00019, as you can see there. So we'll go through and we'll put its password in. So as I said, it's the 16 zeros by default for the MB series. So you'll see that on screen here in a minute. And that's a successful pairing, so we're now connected to both Bluetooth Sato printers. In the markdown section of the Dexta software, you can choose which printer you want to print from, and you can do them one at a time to both different printers as long as they're both connected in Bluetooth. Now the screen recording software I was using on the Dexta doesn't show me choose the printer. It did live when I was doing it, didn't show it in edit. So you will see me print to both printers here without changing the printer in the Dexta software, however I did change it in the Dexta software. Apologies on that, but you can see live there, it is printing the two labels from the two different printers. That's how to set up the two Bluetooth printers to the handheld device and how to use it from the Dexta software. Thanks for watching.